Hey there, everybody. I want to show you an amazing tool inside of YouTube. Now that you have a channel, you hopefully have some videos, we can build playlists. So think about how you're building a house, and each of these videos is like a brick in that house. What we're going to do is assemble them together, and you can name playlists under different themes and use these in all kinds of different ways. I'm going to show you how to build them and collaborate with other people so together you can build the best playlists possible. I'm starting on youtube.com and I'm going to go over to my profile icon up here. So I click my profile icon and I see an option for YouTube Studio. That's where I'm going to go. So inside of YouTube Studio, you're going to notice there's a bunch of metrics and things like that. On the left-hand side, you're going to see an option called Playlists, and it's going to open a new tab, and it's going to show you all the playlists you have, or if this is your first time making one, it's going to be pretty empty here. So let's get started. There's a new playlist option right here. I'm going to press New Playlist. I'm going to give this a title, like GCDS Playlist Awesome. Why not? And notice how you can change it from public to unlisted to private. Similar privacy controls to your YouTube videos. Just note this one thing. If I make this playlist private and I put videos in it that are public, it doesn't change those settings. So if I have videos that are public and you have videos that are public, we can still make a private playlist, which only we can see the playlist, but the videos stay public. So I've named my playlist, I'm making it public, I press create, and here we are on a very blank page. So let's say I want to add a video to this, but I don't know how to get started. Don't worry, we're getting there. So let's go back to our channel. It's in this other tab here. Remember, if you got lost, you can press the picture of your profile and go to YouTube Studio, and you'll end up back here. So let's go to our own videos. I want to show you first how to add your own video to this playlist. So I'm looking at these videos and I want to add, let's say, this one. I'll check the box next to it and a black menu appears here and there's a drop down that says Add to Playlist. Click that. If you have a bunch of them, you can search for your playlist. So I know mine starts with GCDS. There it is. I also don't need that search. I can check this mark and press Save. And now that one video is on our playlist. I'll go back over to this tab. I don't see it yet, so I'll refresh the page. And there it is. There's our first video. Let's say I want to add 4 videos at the same time to this, or more. I can check the box, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can see 4 selected, and it says Add to Playlist. Now, when I press Add to Playlist, you're going to see all kinds of different things checked off here. This check means that all 4 of these videos are already on this one playlist. These lines, this sort of dark box with the line through it, tells me that some of the videos are on this playlist, but not all. You can ignore all of that. I want to add those 4 videos to the same playlist. I just find the name, press the check mark, and press Save. And now it will say Playlist Edited. If I want to deselect those videos, I can also press that right here and deselect them. And I'll refresh this page again. And now I've got 4 more of my videos in here. So I've got 5 total. Great. What if I want to add videos from other people that I've subscribed to? So on the left-hand side, I can see my subscriptions. Let's start over here at Kevin. So Kevin's got a video that's public right now. Here are a couple different ways I can add his video. If I hover over it on his homepage, I can see 3 dots. I click the 3 dots. I press Save to Playlist. And now this pop-up menu shows up, and I can choose GCDS Playlist Awesome. And these screencastify tools kind of got in the way there, but there was a pop-up menu at the bottom that said Added to Playlist. I'll demonstrate that again here. Let's go to Evan's channel, and let's pretend I want to add a video I was actively watching. So I'm on this page, I'm watching his video. I really want to add this video to the playlist. I go over here to the right-hand side, and you see the word Save with a plus sign and sort of 3 lines there. Let's press it. The same menu pops up. I check GCDS Playlist Awesome, and Look at this. It says added to GCDS playlist. Awesome. If it was a mistake, I can press undo or uncheck that box. Let's go back to my playlist for a second. You'll notice now there are 7 videos. Here's Kevin's video and Evan's video. I can drag them around. Let's say I want to put his up here and I want to put his up here and I want to move this one down here. You can just drag and drop them. It saves automatically just like that. If I want to collaborate with another person on this playlist, let's say I want to add another person who's going to contribute videos and help me rearrange it. I can press the 3 dots right here and press collaborate. This is toggled off by default, but if I turn it on, I now have a link that I can just copy and paste in an email. So I share this link with the specific people I want to work with, and they can now help me edit this playlist. What's even better about these playlists, if I go back to my homepage, it doesn't just have to be your videos, and it doesn't have to be people you've subscribed to. It can be anybody on here. So any video on YouTube that you can view, you can add to this playlist. Let's say I wanted to add how to use Google Hangouts from this other YouTuber. I can click the 3 dots here on the homepage and press Save to Playlist. It shows up. I'll add it to my GCDS playlist. Awesome playlist. And once again, Screencastify tool is in the way, but there it is, added to that playlist. Let's say I was watching one of these videos. Now, I'm going to make another video about how to make your YouTube channel your YouTube homepage look a little better. I don't like some of the videos that are on here right now. But let's just pretend that I wanted to add this video to my playlist. I don't know the producer of the video. I'm not subscribed to their channel. You can see that. But I can still press the plus sign with save and add it to that playlist. Or if I don't want to, I can undo it and it will remove it from that playlist. Or I can just uncheck it there too, rather than waiting. So a couple things to wrap up here. How do we get this playlist into the hands of others? Well, I have a few pieces of good news for you. Let's actually go back to our homepage. You might be asking yourself, wow, that's a lot of clicks to get back to our playlist. How is that helpful for me? Actually, your playlists are on the left-hand side. Most of us don't use this, but you'll notice GCDS Playlist Awesome is right here. If I press Show More, I can see all of my playlists. So if I want to get back, it's really one click, and I can go to GCDS Playlist Awesome. If I want to share it with somebody just to watch the videos, to watch this whole playlist, you can press Share and copy this link, and now you can paste that in an email, and it will bring them to this page to watch the videos. Not every person can drag them around, obviously, but if you share the collaborator link that I showed you before with the 3 dots and collaborate, this will allow one of your colleagues or an administrator to drag the videos around. If you want to add a description to this and say, this is a great playlist, if I do say so myself. Not good. There's no capitalization in there. I'm probably not going to save that. Anyway, what I hope this, and there's one other thing. You can also shuffle this playlist if you want. So if you're making just a playlist of your favorite songs and you go and find those videos on YouTube, you can make a playlist that's just called My Morning Shuffle and find the videos and put them all together and, give people something to get their heart rate up and going in the morning. So I hope that you get started using these playlists. I hope that you start incorporating them into your workflow on YouTube so that we can build these kinds of houses out of the bricks that our videos are. And in another video, I will show you how to take these playlists, embed them on your channel, and get them in a way that anyone who's on YouTube can see and interact with.